5 foods you should always have in your kitchen. Your kitchen is the heart of your home, and the choices you make about what you stock in it can profoundly impact your health and well-being. To ensure that your kitchen is a hub of nutrition and convenience, this video will explore 5 essential foods that should always have a place in your pantry, refrigerator or freezer. These versatile and nutritious staples not only make meal preparation easier, but also promote a balanced and healthy diet. 1. Whole grains, why they're essential. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa and oats are rich in fiber and essential nutrients. They provide sustained energy, support digestive health, and help regulate blood sugar levels. How to use them. Use whole grains as a base for salads, in stir-fries or as a side dish. Oats can be a cornerstone of a hearty breakfast, and whole grain flour can be used for baking. 2. Leafy greens, why they're essential. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. They promote good vision, strong bones and overall health. How to use them. Incorporate leafy greens into salads, smoothies, omelettes or stir-fries for a dose of freshness and nutrients. 3. Legumes, why they're essential. Beans, lentils and chickpeas are excellent sources of plant-based protein, fiber and essential minerals. They support heart health, aid in digestion, and help control blood sugar. How to use them. Add legumes to soups, stews, salads, or use them as a meat substitute in various dishes like veggie burgers or chili. 4. Healthy fats, why they're essential. Healthy fats like olive oil, avocados and nuts are essential for brain health, hormone production and overall well-being. They also support heart health and inflammation reduction. How to use them. Use olive oil in salad dressings and cooking. Enjoy avocados in sandwiches or salads and snack on a handful of nuts for a nutritious treat. 5. Frozen fruits and vegetables, why they're essential. Frozen fruits and vegetables retain their nutritional value and are a convenient way to ensure you always have produce on hand. They are versatile and can be used in various recipes. How to use them. Add frozen fruits to smoothies and use frozen vegetables in stir-fries, soups or as side dishes. Conclusion. Stocking your kitchen with these 5 essential foods ensures that you have the building blocks for nutritious and satisfying meals at your fingertips. Whole grains, leafy greens, legumes, healthy fats and frozen fruits and vegetables are the cornerstones of a balanced diet, providing a wide array of nutrients to support your health. By keeping these staples in your kitchen, you'll have the foundation for creating delicious and nourishing meals that contribute to your overall well-being. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy.